Good morning and God bless you. Dios bendiga. We're right here at the school. Almost done here with the privacy fence for the neighborhood and the school. We're almost done here. Viene Rafa, mira. Viene Rafa. Aquí andamos en la escuelita ya terminando. Gracias a Dios. We're almost done here. Ahí va Jesse. Almost done with this project, so we can pass on to our next project. Tomorrow we'll be in Carrizo Springs finishing that repair. We're here now. We're in Eagle Pass. We're here with all the workers. Well, we still got more workers in another place right now. Leo. Baby. Jose. Ray. Huicho. Huicho. There you go, Huicho. We'll be done with this project in 30 minutes. This is our phone number in case somebody needs a job. We do all kinds of fences: steel, wood, concrete block, rock. We do metal buildings, metal roof. Gracias. Dios bendiga. Thank you. God bless.